Alright, this video I'm going to sharpen my scrapers. As you can see, I've got 3 scrapers here. These I've rounded. They all just happen to be the ones that I end up buying. They're round because they help me get into the curve of a bowl. But you can have a scraper that's got a big blunt end on it, or a square, or whatever else. Sharpening's all essentially the same. And the overall technique for sharpening a scraper is you get your platform set up and you line this up exactly with the grinding wheel and then just touch it. Zzz, zzz. The idea is you're putting a burr on top of the scraper and you can go back and sharpen them nice and quick. So if you're interested in that, stick around. I've got a couple of scrapers here that I put handles on. This is actually one that we bought. But they're both MT2 steel. So the way we do that is we get the platform out, we'll loosen that a little bit, and we get it close. We get it close, and we tighten up the red handle, and then we bring in this handle. Same as my other sharpening. Just to gauge myself, I like to put a little red marker on that and then test it to see where we are. And that looks like we're right on track. So, we just bring up your grinder, start on one end. That's it, that's done. That was quick. That was awesome. That's it. That was quick, that's done. That was awesome. And all you're doing there is putting a little bit of a burr on the top of the tool. Those look good. While I'm at it, I just found a couple more. And I'm sorry that where I'm standing looks so stupid and awkward. I've moved my grinder for filming today. Okay, so now this one has a different angle on it. I've had it a lot sharper angle, so as I sharpen this, I'm essentially putting a double bevel on it. Oh, that'll work okay for a scraper. It'll be nice and sharp, and then I don't think I need that steep of an angle that I had before. So, there we go, sharpening scrapers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends. Alright, well this wraps up my scraping series. My channel has 4 or 5 videos on it, setting up my grinder, setting up my jig, sharpening bowl gouges, sharpening skews, sharpening scrapers, sharpening parting tools. I may even do another video on sharpening some of my miscellaneous little tools like my skew gouge and stuff. So make sure and check all those videos out. Thanks for watching, share, subscribe, tell your dog.